name is Alif Octavia Nugraha from grade 10 TKR 3. Today I like to example a tool that is used to measure tree wear. The tool is called a tree depth gauge. It is used to measure how deep the groove on a tree. When the tree becomes too thin, it means the tree is worn out and needs to be replaced. There are different types of 3D gig, digital, dial, and manual type. That is all from me. Thank you for attention. Do you have any question?